Today, I am thrilled to introduce 14 amazing new kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind. These tools are not just about convenience, they are about elevating your kitchen game to a whole new level. Let's kick things off with the Alligater onion peeler. Now, if you're like me, peeling onions can be a real tearjerker, literally. This little gadget is a game changer. You just pop the onion inside, press down the lid, and voila! The skin comes off without any fuss, and you can save those precious tears for a sad movie instead. It's designed to accommodate various onion sizes, making it versatile for your cooking needs. It's made from durable materials, so it will stick around for many cooking sessions. This tool is perfect for whipping up delicious onion soups, salads, or caramelized onion toppings. Next up is the KitchenAid stand mixer. This versatile and powerful appliance makes cooking and baking a breeze. With its robust motor and a bunch of handy attachments, you can mix dough, whip cream, knead bread, and even grind meat, all with ease. The tilting head design provides easy access to the mixing bowl, while key attachments like the flat beater, wire whip, and dough hook make it ideal for a range of tasks. Plus, with attachments like the pasta roller and food grinder, the possibilities are endless. With multiple speed settings, this stylish and durable mixer is perfect for everyone, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. Moving on, let's talk about the Tescoma Presto vegetable corer. This nifty tool is designed to simplify the process of hollowing out vegetables for stuffing, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing stuffed onions, cucumbers, or other delicious creations, this corer lets you quickly and cleanly remove the insides of vegetables without any mess. Just insert it into the veggie, twist, and pop out the insides with ease. Next is the Tescoma Presto Spiral Cutter, a fantastic gadget that turns ordinary vegetables into stunning spirals. This tool makes healthy eating a lot more exciting by allowing you to create beautiful veggie noodles that are perfect for salads or garnishing your dishes. Simply insert your vegetable of choice, twist the handle, and watch as it transforms into gorgeous spirals in seconds. It's not just fun. It's also a great way to sneak more veggies into your meals. If you're looking to add a little flair to your meals, this spiral cutter is the way to go. If you love strawberries, you'll definitely want to check out the Slicester strawberry slicer. This innovative tool lets you slice strawberries, creating perfect, even slices for your desserts, salads, or just for snacking. It's as easy as placing the strawberry in the designated spot and pressing down. The slicer is made from durable materials, ensuring that it will last for many seasons of strawberry goodness. It also keeps your fingers safe from knife accidents, making it a great tool for kids in the kitchen. Now let's talk about the Baourouge Precision Slicing Knife. This knife is a fantastic addition to any kitchen and is designed for precision and ease of use. It is perfect for slicing soft, freshly baked bread, hard-cured meats and even delicate tomatoes. With an adjustable titanium-coated aluminium guide, you can select the exact width of each slice, from 1 mm to 16 mm, giving you a perfectly even cut each and every time. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for better control while cutting. If you love cooking with garlic, you'll appreciate how this gadget simplifies the process. Just toss a few cloves inside the silicone tube, roll it on your countertop, and watch as the skins come off effortlessly. No more sticky fingers or lingering garlic smells on your hands. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, so you won't have to spend extra time scrubbing. For those of you who love entertaining, the Vonshef food warmer is a game changer. This fantastic gadget keeps your food warm for hours, making it perfect for parties, family gatherings, or busy weeknights. With adjustable heat settings, you can warm up everything from casseroles to soups without worrying about your dishes getting cold. The sleek design looks great on any table, and the non-stick surface means that cleanup is super easy. Just wipe it down when you're done. It also features a compact design, making it easy to store when not in use. If you're looking to maximize your kitchen space, the magnetic organizer rack is a must-have. It's designed to organize and store items on the refrigerator sides. With its space-saving design, this rack utilizes vertical space, freeing up valuable counter or shelf space. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the rack against any metal surface, requiring no tools or adhesives. It is perfect for holding spices, condiments, kitchen tools, or even small cookbooks, allowing you to keep frequently used items easily accessible. Plus, it's portable, which makes it easy to move and reposition as needed. This compact handheld electric dishwasher is designed to wash your dishes quickly and efficiently, making it a lifesaver for busy days. It spins plates, bowls, and cups through its scrubby jaws, cleaning away grime. It's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or even for taking on camping trips. The design is user-friendly, and it's lightweight enough to handle with ease. Cleaning up after a meal has never been this simple, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your delicious creations. If you enjoy cooking with fresh spices, the Ortwo spice grinder will quickly become your favorite kitchen companion. This innovative gadget allows you to grind your spices with just one hand, making it super convenient when you're busy stirring or chopping. The grinding mechanism provides consistent results, whether you're using it for salt, pepper, or any other spices you love. The clear body lets you see how much spice is left, so you won't be caught off guard. It's also sleek and stylish, making it a great addition to your kitchen decor. This genius bowl features a built-in strainer that allows you to rinse and drain grains, fruits, and vegetables without making a mess. Just fill it up, rinse under water, and tilt to drain. It's particularly useful for washing rice or straining pasta, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's easy to clean and store, so it's perfect for daily use. For those who love smoothies, the Bennet Reed Go-Go blender is a game changer. This portable blender is powerful yet compact, allowing you to whip up healthy drinks wherever you are. Whether you're making a morning smoothie or a post-workout shake, this blender makes it quick and easy. It has a rechargeable battery, so you can blend your favorite ingredients in just minutes, no outlet needed. It's perfect for busy lifestyles, whether at home, work, or on the go. Enhance your cooking with the herb scissors, a must-have tool for any herb lover. These scissors feature multiple sharp blades that make chopping fresh herbs quick and effortless. Just snip away, and in seconds, you'll have perfectly chopped herbs for your dishes, salads, or garnishes. They're great for basil, cilantro, parsley, and more. Plus, the comfortable grip handle makes it easy to use, and they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Next up, we have the kitchen cabinet hanging trash bin. Whether you're cooking or cleaning, this trash bin will make waste disposal more convenient. You can hang it on your cabinet door, place it on the countertop, or even use it in your car. Its collapsible design allows you to fold it away when not in use, freeing up valuable kitchen space. Made from sturdy plastic and silicone, it's durable enough for everyday use, and the foldable feature ensures it can easily fit into tight spaces. If you are looking to maximize your fridge space, the Jospeh Fridge Undershelf storage drawer is here to help. This innovative gadget attaches under any standard fridge shelf, providing extra storage for smaller items like deli meats, cheeses, or snacks. The easy pull handle allows you to access items quickly, and the installation is a breeze thanks to the included suction cups. This drawer is perfect for organizing your fridge and making the most of every inch of space. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.